In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a gamified Notion system for goals, tasks, and rewards. We're going to turn a simple Notion workspace into something that feels much more motivating, like a personal game. The idea is to create a dashboard where you can track your goals, complete tasks, earn points, level up, unlock rewards, and review your progress in a way that stays fun and easy to manage. Start by setting up your main Notion game dashboard. This will be the central place where everything connects, so keep it clean and simple. Add sections for your goals, your task list, your rewards, your level, and your progress. Think of this dashboard as your home screen. It should give you a quick overview of what you're working on and how far you've come without feeling cluttered. Next, add a point system. For each task or habit, create a points field so that every time something is completed, it has value. This is what gives the system that game-like feeling. You're not just checking off tasks anymore, you're earning progress. Keep your point values realistic and consistent so the system feels fair and motivating over time. After that, create levels based on your total points or important milestones. Levels give you a sense of growth, which is one of the most satisfying parts of any game system. You can decide how many points are needed for each level, or tie level increases to larger achievements. The key is to make leveling up feel meaningful while still being achievable. Then build a rewards section. Add rewards that you can unlock after completing goals or reaching certain point totals. These rewards should feel personal and motivating. They don't need to be huge. Even small rewards can reinforce consistency and make your system more enjoyable. The important thing is that rewards are tied to real effort. Once that's in place, create a progress bar using formulas or visual trackers. This helps you see your momentum at a glance. A visible progress indicator can make a big difference because it turns abstract effort into something concrete. It also helps you stay engaged, especially during slower periods. Now add daily quests by turning your everyday tasks and habits into game-style missions. This works especially well for routines you want to repeat consistently. Framing them as quests makes them feel more active and rewarding instead of repetitive or boring. Finally, review your system regularly. Update your points, check your rewards, and make sure your dashboard still reflects your current goals. This review step keeps everything accurate and helps the system stay useful over time. With a setup like this, Notion becomes more than a planner. It becomes a motivating system that encourages progress, consistency, and a little fun along the way.